Are you looking for the best coffee tables? In this video we will look at some of the best coffee tables on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. O&K Furniture Round Coffee Table. Minimalism outlines bring your home a touch of freshness and lighten up your room center with elegance. This exquisite and chic silver coffee table will definitely update your furnishing and home style to a whole new level. With this glamorous glass coffee table, whether you are entertaining your friends or just enjoying yourself with a cup of coffee and some reading time, this modern coffee table will just delight your day in a charming way. Crafted with tempered glass and chrome-plated finish, metal frames guarantee this chrome coffee table is stable for daily use and offers a unique design. Round glass tabletop is easy to clean, and no worries about sharp corners. A perfect addition as a living room table or office coffee table. Overall dimensions: 31.9 inches WX 31.9 inches DX 17.7 inches H. Maximum weight capacity of the tempered glass tabletop is up to 100 pounds. All parts and tools are included and labeled. Just follow the install illustration step by step, and you will soon put the glass coffee table together. 3 years warranty. We are happy to help and will reply within 12 hours if you have any questions or problems. Number 2. NSdirect Round Coffee Table. This coffee table boasts a spacious round top, measuring 36 inches in diameter, perfect for keeping your living room supplies organized and your daily essentials close at hand. The additional 33.5-inch bottom shelf provides ample storage space for magazines and toys, helping you maintain a neat and tidy living space. Enjoy a long-lasting investment in your living space with our round coffee table. The high-quality P2 environmental grade medium-density fiberboard, MDF, top features wood grain veneer that adds texture and character to its appearance. The waterproof and wear-resistant multi-step finish process protects the wood grain veneer while ensuring it remains looking sleek over time. The thick matte alloy legs provide stable support and add to its modern aesthetic. Our classic round coffee table boasts a high-quality wood grain veneer finish that imitates the natural beauty and texture of walnut. The simple yet attractive design creates a classic look that complements any personal taste and interior decor style, whether minimalist or luxurious. Suitable for any living space, this coffee table adds a touch of vintage charm to your home. Easy assembly in 15-30 minutes. Wipe with soft dry cloth. The packaging contains all needed tools and instructions. Number 3. High Glossy LED Coffee Tables. Set the mood by adjusting 16 captivating colors, 4 dynamic modes, and brightness via duct remote control of coffee table. From cozy evenings to vibrant gatherings, this modern LED coffee table has you covered with spacious open storage and 4 sliding drawers. Our living room table helps organize and display all your essentials smartly and keep your space clutter-free. Multifunctional coffee table. Our 2-inch-1 coffee table doubles as an LED light source. Embrace minimalist design that complements any decor, home, office, store. Endless possibilities in one table. Crafted with top-notch particle board, this storage coffee table with high gloss is sturdy and easy to clean. Plus, the durable drawers slide smoothly and quietly. Enjoy years of durability and style. Installing this white coffee table is a breeze with clear diagrams and tools included. Need assistance? Our dedicated service team is here to help. Number 4. Walker Edison Magnolia Metal X Coffee Table. The perfect coffee table for your boho chic living room has arrived. The Magnolia Metal X Stone Grey Coffee Table by Walker Edison features 2 accent metal X details and brackets on each top corner. This rustic table creates extra storage space in your living room with a lower shelf to hold your favorite books, houseplants, and fluffy blankets or pillows. This ranch-style cocktail table will be the perfect centerpiece to your living room due to its relaxed color scheme. Gather your friends and family around this table for a night of entertainment or light conversation. Number 5. RUO WU Coffee Tables. High gloss surface, marble veneer and crafted MDF. This elegant rectangle coffee table is widely applied in home. Base, modern-style living room table suitable to use in office, store, living room, guest room or bedroom as a coffee table, end table, sofa table or even a makeup table. Small size, suitable for various styles of home decoration. As marble is natural grain, there may be product and picture grain inconsistency. Please note, rectangle table dimensions: 19.7 x 41.3 inches wide by 13.8 inches high, easy assemble. Come with necessary hardware and tools.